How to manage internal and external services in cloud computing. Cloud computing is one of the wide-ranging techniques that aims to help both individuals and organizations. It uses the internet to deliver computing services such as servers, software, networks, infrastructure, databases, and so on. It emphasizes the concept's scalability and adaptability, allowing for better and faster innovation. There are mainly three types of cloud computing services: Platforms as a Service, PaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Software as a Service, SaaS. Internal services are those used in a business for an internal group with private procedures focused solely on a single organization. It depends on the service provider and the customer to consider the terms within an SLA agreement, service level agreement. In SLA, they outline what the provider delivers, also emphasizing the customer's responsibilities. So, now the bigger question is, how do they decide on the services and the process of managing internal and external services in cloud computing? Understanding the responsibility. The success of cloud computing services is determined by how well they manage their resources. In-house management occurs when firms give cloud resources to their employees, customers, and business partners as an inside service. And, as an external cloud service, management grows faster when a third-party service provider takes over the task of catering to many organizations and offers software solutions. For internal clients, a company can employ either private or hybrid cloud resources. As a result, it becomes both a public consumer, when using the hybrid model to access public resources, and a private provider. The issues occur in such instances because public cloud users have a broader reach as a result of improved networking and services. Private cloud users, on the other hand, stick to the company's private model. Issues in internal and external services. Organizations frequently employ self-service to access curated cloud resources in a private or hybrid cloud. Even though the content is limited, it is appropriate for the firm and may help it stay on track. Companies can take in many unwanted services from external resources and sort to consume more time. Internal service gives a broader perspective of security risk minimization since organizations understand the sensitivity of data. They explore ways and invest more in keeping the confidentiality intact and preventing data loss. Even with evolving security checks, external services are more prone to network attacks and data loss. A proper guideline must be in review to ensure keeping data intact. Categorizing the services. In the past, firms used the IT department's resources, such as hardware, software, and tools, and purchased or installed them to put them to use. The resources employed in the data centers were maintained by the corporations themselves. However, in the economics of cloud computing, the service provider has this responsibility. Companies merely have to pay a subscription fee and can use the services via an internet connection. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, gives on-demand access to physical or virtual hardware over the cloud to run business applications after a personalized configuration. The benefits of IaaS are: it locates data centers closer to a user and boosts performance without data overcrowding. It enhances the process of testing and running applications with ease. It provides high-level security and enables organizations to minimize security risks by additional improvements for a private network. They provide the latest technologies to organizations without much investment or hassle. PaaS, Platform as a Service, is a platform that runs, develops, and manages applications. The service provider maintains the hardware and software in the platform. Users access PaaS through a GUI, graphical user interface, and the DevOps teams use the interface to connect throughout the application testing lifecycle. It also shows why DevSecOps is so important today. There are many advantages of PaaS, and they are: faster development and testing procedure. The shared software development platform makes all the tools available for users in the process. The platform enables accessing anytime from anywhere without rebuilding it again after every use. SaaS, Software as a Service, is again cloud-based ready-to-use application software that a vendor manages and operates businesses. Today everyone uses them in their gadgets, be it emails or social media. Users only test the software, pay a fee and start using it with no additional financial risk. There are immense benefits of SaaS like they are accessible from anywhere at all times. With only a nominal charge, users can buy more data. Managing the services. We can now understand the versatility of the above cloud computing services and modify them as per our business requirements. Managing these services depends on how organizations use them and maximize benefits from them. Issues can arise when users aren't sure about the operational status of the services or in the absence of training to use them. Poor cloud computing behaviors can also impact the services and lead to challenging consequences in data handling. There must be a support team dedicated to helping customers when they lose track. It is also essential to monitor the actions of customers while availing cloud services. Here comes the importance of the role of AI in data storage and extraction. Proper tracking should be able to track the GPS and pinpoint the exact trouble faced by the customer. This tracking within the cloud will save communication time and keep the customer motivated to improve services and deliver better. To manage external services, companies that send out applications must collaborate with DevOps teams. The teams can then check for any operational issues and fix the glitches immediately in the cloud itself.